Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to study for your Bachelor of Science in Nursing first year. To begin, focus on building a strong foundation. Understand core subjects like anatomy and physiology, which are crucial for future learning. Develop a consistent study schedule from day one, dedicating at least 2 hours daily. Actively participate in all lectures and practical sessions to grasp concepts effectively. This initial effort will pay off immensely throughout your program. Next, let's explore smart study strategies. Employ active recall by testing yourself frequently, and use spaced repetition to review material over time, enhancing memory. Forming study groups can be incredibly beneficial. Discussing complex topics with peers often clarifies understanding. Additionally, practicing with previous examination papers regularly will familiarize you with question patterns and improve your time management during tests. Mastering clinical skills is paramount in nursing. Pay very close attention during all lab demonstrations and practice each procedure diligently until it becomes second nature. Actively seek opportunities for hands-on experience in clinical settings, even if it means volunteering for extra shifts. Thoroughly understand all patient care protocols and safety measures. These are non-negotiable for providing excellent care. Finally, balancing your academics with personal well-being is crucial for long-term success. Prioritize self-care to prevent burnout and maintain sharp mental focus throughout your demanding program. Effective time management, allocating specific hours for study and relaxation, is key. Do not hesitate to seek guidance from mentors or faculty members when you encounter academic or personal challenges. They are there to support you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.